Hello everyone. Today we'll be flying from Kolkata to Delhi via Bhubaneshwar. I'll be posting this trip in two different parts, this being the first part. In this part, we'll be flying from Kolkata to Bhubaneshwar on board Air Asia Airbus A320. I have never done any voiceovers before, so this is my first time doing this. And if you guys like these kind of contents, then I'll surely post them more often. So do let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I was running quite late for my flight, and after reaching the airport, I rushed to the securities and got my security check done. That is the very aircraft which will be flying us till Bhubaneshwar, and from there we'll be changing our flight. So this was the cheapest option available at the time of booking for flying from Delhi to Kolkata, although it took 2 or 30 minutes more than what any regular flight would take, but it costed me around 2000 rupees cheaper, and getting to fly on two different aircrafts, that too on a single trip, was cherry on the cake for me. This was my first ever flight with AirAsia, and my seat for this flight was 29A. The legroom was pretty decent, but it would be a bit difficult for you to sit if you are above 5'10 or 5'11. This was an early morning flight, and our boarding time was 4:45. Our time for departure was 5:25. We were also provided with a bottle of water. One thing you should definitely check out while flying is the magazine which is provided by the airline. AirAsia offers good fooding options, but I already pre-ordered my meal.
कृपया सावधान रहें, क्योंकि यात्रा के दौरान सामान के अपने स्थान से हिल जाने की संभावना होती है। कुर्सी की पेटी को इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण और मोबाइल फोन्स को बंद कर लें या फ्लाइट मोड में रखें।
This is our aircraft for our next flight from Bhubaneshwar to Delhi. Just like any other low-cost carrier, AirAsia doesn't have any dedicated in-flight entertainment system, but it does provide us with an offline streaming service. Don't get confused by seeing me connected with the internet, as I checked out Airflix while we were still parked and we were not instructed to put our phones on airplane mode. Airflix has a decent collection of web series and movies, and it gives us quite a few options to choose from. And finally our aircraft was pushed back.
बाहर आए तो उसे तुरंत अपनी ओर खींचे और इस तरह से नाक और मुंह ढककर सामान्य ढंग से सांस लेते रहें। दूसरों की सहायता।
Time to confess, I took this flight on 18th March. But because of my laziness, I didn't even bother to start working on this video till the end of May.
इस रक्षा जैकेट को इस तरह पहने और पट्टी अपनी कमर पर कस के रखें को ना फुलाएं, क्योंकि इससे विमान से निकलने में बाधा आ सकती है।
Do check out my Instagram handle for regular updates and more aviation related content.
दी गई है, जिसमें इस तरह से हवा भरकर फुला लें। पानी के साथ संपर्क में आते ही ये बत्ती जल जाएगी और ये सीधी द्वार है। दो विमान के पिछले हिस्से में 4 ओवरविंग पर और 2
Kolkata has two parallel runways which are 1R19L and 1L19R, and we were supposed to take off from runway 1R19L. So soon after our pushback, we started taxiing towards our designated runway. And damn, the runway was looking so beautiful because of all the runway edge and centerline lights. The four red lights which you can see at the side of the runway are the PAPI lights, or precision approach path indicators. The weather above Kolkata was quite cloudy and the visibility was not that good. An aircraft takes off so fast that big buildings and houses turn into small white dots in fraction of seconds. Slowly moving towards the sky, looking at my hometown from high above. This makes me emotional, but seeing Kolkata from high above always puts a smile on my face. Kolkata, the city of joy, indeed. The lights were dimmed soon after the takeoff, and rest of the flight was mostly uneventful, but the views were awesome. I got my pre-ordered meal within 30 minutes from our takeoff, which consisted of a herb roast vegetable roll, a paperboat swing, which is a mango drink, and a bottle of water similar to what we got while boarding. Looking at these beautiful landscape that Air has to offer from high above, the sky is spectacular, mind-blowing. This is the beauty of aviation. This is the beauty of flying that enables us to look at the world from a different perspective. It was a time to land in Bhubaneshwar. We were on our final approach. The flight was quite uneventful as it was an early morning flight, but my in-flight experience was pretty good and I hope to travel on this route soon again. Biju Patnaik International Airport has two runways, runway 523 and runway 1432. Runway 1432 being the primary runway. So our flight landed on runway 1432. We landed on time, actually earlier than our time of arrival. The arrival time for our flight was 6:35, but it landed around at 6:20. So it took us around 1 hour to reach our destination.
Wallet, passport, or electronic devices. Find all your belongings with you. It was a pleasure serving you on board today, and we look forward to serve you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, kindly contact our ground staff. Thank you for flying with Air Asia. Have a great day ahead.
So this is it for this video, and we'll be continuing our journey further till Delhi in the next part of our trip, in the next week. Thank you for watching this video till here, and do hit the like button if you liked my content. Do subscribe to my channel, and let me know about your thoughts in the comment section.